foodies, welcome to Cook, Eat, Love. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe of frozen mango yogurt. For that I have taken 2 cups of frozen mango, about a tablespoon of lemon juice, lemon zest, and you can see how to make this zest in the above link. Plain yogurt, about a 1/4 cup, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Now in a blending jar we are going to put all our ingredients together and just give it a nice blend. You can also use food processor if you have. While picking the mango, just avoid the fibrous variety because that won't give you a nice texture to your frozen yogurt. I have used plain yogurt here, but you can always take Greek yogurt. While using the plain yogurt, do not add the watery part. Lemon juice just helps to balance the sweetness of mango and honey, but it is optional, so if you don't like it, you can avoid. Honey is a very crucial ingredient because it not just gives sweetness to your frozen yogurt, but it also helps to make the yogurt more smoother, creamier, so that you can scoop it out later on very easily. You can find the written recipe in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Finally, we are adding the lemon zest. It will just upgrade our dish to the next level. And now we'll blend it well. Blending is done and we are here with this thick and smooth puree. Now we will have to put it in an airtight container and just put it inside our refrigerator and then just enjoy later on. So here is our final product. Hope you enjoyed the recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. Do try it, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.